Lovy wishes the firstborn, that is Andrew Lovy L. alias, a happy birthday with a caption which reads, "Happy 14th birthday to my firstborn, the strength of my youth. Andrew Lovy L. alias, raising you has been the most incredible honor of our lives. May your days be full of God's blessing." So that is one of the caption that Prophet Lovy had to go to put on his Instagram account page. So anyway, let's just pop into the comments and get to see how many people have actually wished, that is the firstborn of Prophet Lovy, a happy birthday. And let's just dive into the video. Subscribe to the channel for more updates to come. Let's go and check out the comments and see.